Today, we will explore the concept of constituent particles of matter using a stick of chalk. First, take a stick of chalk and break it into 2 pieces. Continue breaking the chalk into smaller and smaller pieces until it becomes difficult to break by hand. Now, use a mortar and pestle to grind the small pieces into fine chalk powder. Observe this fine powder with a magnifying glass. You will notice that each tiny grain you see is still chalk. If we keep grinding the powder further, the particles will get smaller and smaller. Eventually we will reach a stage where the chalk cannot be broken down any further. These smallest units are the basic building blocks that make up chalk. We call them constituent particles. Just like chalk, grains of sand and clay are also made up of a large number of their own constituent particles. Constituent particles are the basic units that make up a larger piece of a substance or material. This simple activity helps us understand that all matter is made up of tiny building blocks.
Through this simple chalk activity, we learned that matter is made up of tiny building blocks called constituent particles. No matter how small we break or grind a substance, it is still made of the same material until we reach these smallest units. This is the foundation for understanding the particle nature of matter.
Thanks for watching. This is Study with Bhadra, your place for fun and easy learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting lessons.